Hi guys, this is Mick here from Creative Dippet. I've been asked to do a test pod on a blue with water drops. I do it mainly on white and silver generally. Got a guy doing a scooter Lambretta and he's doing a water theme and he wants his forks doing. So what we tend to do, don't just go ahead and just lay it down because obviously the client doesn't like it, you've got to be base coated, do everything. So what we're trying to do is try and do test pods if we can. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to lay down the sheet now and we'll get this dipped and see what it looks like. So I've not done it on this colour blue before, so I'm going to see what you're going to see. So I'll just lay this down. Give it 60 seconds. So basically, what we need to do now is just obviously just wait for this to dissolve. I've got a few things here that I've done just to show people that just by on different, I did a video last time on different colours, but the two exactly same patterns, one's laid down on a black and one's laid on like a cream camo colour, and it's amazing, the same pattern can be completely and utterly different. And then when you do a lack of it, you either do a high glass, matte, generally like matte is the same again. You know, it gives you different colours. So basically, we're just waiting now for this. We've got another 15 seconds and then we can lay it down and give it a try. Obviously back taped it, taped it again, so we can lay it down. But hopefully this is exactly what the client wants. Right, 60 seconds is almost up. This now, so I'm going to lay the activator down on it. This is quite a thick foil, so I'm going to just give it a little bit more on activating. It sits quite nicely, you can control this one quite nicely. I'm going to push that pattern in a little bit. So here we go, just drop that in. Really, this pattern really sits on stuff really well, really well. And again, you'll get to see it before anybody else does. And that's what it looks like on the blue. And you know what? That looks pretty cool. I think the client's going to be happy with that. So what we do, we get that washed off. I tend to leave about a couple of minutes before I wash off. They say you can wash it straight off. I've just found just to, like anything else, just let something sit for a few minutes. It's a lot better. I just find it's a lot better. You know, I've been doing this a little while now, so I used to do it as an hobby, now we do it as a business. You know, we do the carbon fibres. I really do my carbon fibres a little bit different to most people because I like the effects to be, this is only just been dipped, as real as possible. And you can either, again, you can either matte lacquer that or high gloss it, depending what effect people want. Test pods are really good. I do, if somebody wants something, I would always do a test pod before, drop it in. I tend to send a photograph, you know, if this is what you're looking for, because it's like, there's a lot of work goes into the preparations of things. My next few videos, what's coming up will be, I've got some scooter wheels and a scooter seat wheels actually here, actually. I've got that to do. Guy thinks, I think what we're going to do this in, it's in primer at the moment, what we're going to do this is in candy. Red, and he wants a carbon over it. So, but again, he's not sure. We've shown him pictures, but some of our clients, we can do it 2 or 3 times before they're happy. They pay for it, so it's up to them. But we've got some scooter wheels to do and some other bits and bobs. You can check it out on our website to buy stuff off us or to ask any questions if you want anything doing, which we can do, or on our Facebook page. Okay, yeah, that's Mick signing off from Creative Dippet.